Panna, refreshing and delicious. Hello everyone. Today I will be making Panna with no added sugar, no jaggery. So let's get started. Let's put 2 kachi ami in a pressure cooker with 2 glass of water and boil them. We will soak dates in water for 3-4 hours. Kachi ami is all nicely cooked. Take them out in a bowl and let them cool. Now we will take out all the pulp from the ami and we will use this water while making the panna. In summers, this kachi ami panna is so refreshing and it will save us from the heat strokes. We have taken out all the pulp from the boiled ami. Our dates are also soaked for 3-4 hours and they are nice and soft. Now let's de-seed all the dates. Dates are highly nutritive and natural resource of sugar. So we are not going to put any added sugar or jaggery in this, and we are going to make panna with the sweetness of dates. And believe me friends, this is so delicious. In this we will add some mint leaves and roasted cumin and black salt. Boiled water of the ami is there and we are going to use this in making this panna. In a mixer grinder we are going to make a fine puree of kachi ami and dates. Our puree is done. Now we will put all this mixture in a jali and we will use the rest of the water. Mint leaf and roasted cumin flavor is so wonderful in this. You are definitely going to enjoy this panna. And with the sweetness of dates, it is very delicious. If it is thick, you can put some more water. Our panna is ready. So friends, how do you like this recipe? This summer drink is amazingly delicious and refreshing. Put some ice in a glass and pour the panna and just enjoy it. This is so yummy, refreshing and delicious.